A proper warm-up and dynamic stretch preps the nervous system's ability to learn how to control synergistic kinetic chains so that you can maximize the effectiveness of your workout and reduce your chance of injury. Hey Punch Fitters, this is Chris Hunter, owner of PunchFit, and in today's video I'm going to run you through a general warm-up that is designed to go along with one of our PunchFit workouts. A good warm-up should be around 5 minutes and gradually prepare the body for exercise by increasing the heart rate and circulation, which in turn will loosen joints and increase the blood flow to the muscle. During the warm-up and stretch, listen to your body to identify any range of motion issues that could result in injury once you begin resistance training, such as knee or shoulder tenderness as an example. So if you're ready, let's get started. All right, we're gonna get started in 10 seconds. The first thing I'm gonna have you do is just bring your arms out nice and straight, and we're gonna start with warming up our shoulders. Get ready, we're going in 3, 2, 1. Good. We're gonna start small, and we're gonna be here for about 45 seconds. So get very comfortable with being uncomfortable. Good, we're gonna go ahead and open them up a little bit more. Start to get the blood flow to the shoulders. Good, good, good. Stick with me. Try not to stop. We still have 15 more seconds. Good. All right. All the way now. 3, 2, 1, and time. Now what we're going to do is we're going to switch and go the other direction. For me, that's backwards. Just do the opposite of what you did before. So it's really important to make sure that our shoulders are prepped and ready to go. Virtually every movement that we're going to do is going to incorporate the shoulders in one way or another, especially when it comes to striking. All right, go ahead, go a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. Good. All right, for the last 10 seconds, go all the way now. Really work through that range of motion. That's it, keep going. All right, from here what I want you to do is think about having your hands on a tabletop. You're gonna lift your heels up off the ground and then you're gonna rotate on the ball of your foot. This is a great warm-up to get our ankles ready as well as our back, because what I'm going to do now is have you throw a punch off to the ceiling. Really think like there's something that's out of your reach and you're trying to grab. Now go off to the side. Keep your shoulders stacked above your hips when you're doing this. And for the last 10 seconds, down at the floor. Really stretch. 3, 2, 1. From here, your arms are straight, and we're going to do windmills. Now, we're doing the windmills because we want to wake up the posterior chain. So we're going after the hamstrings and the glutes and the lower back. Come all the way up. Make sure when you come up, those shoulders are stacked over your hips. If you can't go all the way down to your shoe, just go down as far as you can. That's it, keep going. 10 more seconds. 2, 1, and time. From here, we're gonna go right into jumping jacks. So what I wanna do now is start to get that heart rate up, get the circulation going, and then on top of that, wake up my calves. It's a nice medium pace. Some alternatives to this movement, if this is a challenge, is you could just step out if you need to, but ideally, try and do the jumping jack. Got 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and time. Now from here, you're gonna walk yourself out into a push-up. So I'm gonna go down into my plank. And now from here, push myself down, push up, kick the right leg up into the ceiling, and then swing it to the outside of your right arm. Slowly drop your hips. Bring the right arm up to the ceiling. Really reach for it like you're trying to grab something. Then from there, take that hand, bring it in between the leg and the arm, and then take that elbow, stick it between the knee, or not between the knee, but at the knee, and apply pressure. From there, put that hand back down, kick that leg out, bring your chest down, bring your chest up, staying with the right leg, bring the right leg up, bring it in between your hands, adjust the rear foot so that you're on top of the foot, bring yourself down over your leg, reach off to the right, back to the center, feel the stretch in your back at the same time, off to the side. Again, we're trying to do more of a dynamic stretch as opposed to a static stretch, so we don't want to be here very long. Now from here, I'm going to put my hands back underneath my shoulders. I'm going to kick my leg back. I'm going to go ahead and do a push-up. This time I'm going to kick my left leg up to the ceiling, bring it to the outside of my left arm, slowly drop my hips, and bring my left arm up to the ceiling. Really reaching for something. From here, I'm going to take that hand. I'm going to bring it in between my arm and my leg, like I'm trying to get something over here. Then I'm going to take the elbow and apply pressure towards the knee and hold it here. Good, stay with me. We got about 3 more seconds. 2, 1, drop the hand, bring the leg back, bring the chest down to the ground, push up, kick the left leg into the ceiling, bring the left leg in between your arms, adjust your rear foot so that you're now on top of your foot, and then from there, drop your weight over your knee and feel the stretch on the outside of your leg. And now, go off to the right. You're going to change the dynamic of that stretch. Go over to the other side. Good. From there, go ahead and put your hands back underneath your shoulders. Kick that leg back and in. Now, push up. And then from here, bring your hips up into the air. Do alternating calf stretches. One more time. Go down to the ground. Round your back. Hold it. Back down. Press up. Once again, your hips are in the air. Alternating calf stretches. Really loosen those calves up. From there, kick your hands up, and that is it. That warm-up works well with any of our videos, so I'll also include some links so that you can go to the actual workouts. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already and you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to our PunchFit YouTube channel. And as always, leave any comments below. Until next time, get fit, get strong, and get tough.